This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Sue Straw. Spacious open floor plan with golf course view on large corner lot. Underground utilities and upscale neighborhood. 2,028 square feet, 3 bedroom/2 bath, split plan. Great room, formal dining, casual eating area and breakfast bar. Cathedral ceiling, brickwood burning fireplace, ceiling fans, carpet, laminate, tile and vinyl flooring. Master suite, walk-in closet, easy step shower and double/vanities. Lounge outside on the deck with golf view. 2-car attached garage. A home to enjoy. For more information, review the details below or contact Sue Straw at 931-707